Cushion.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. More wafer and more chocolate. Okay, this one. Quite crunchy, but not as chocolatey as the Kit Kat. Okay, let me try the Kit Kat. Definitely more chocolatey. But Kit Kat has two, so it gives you the perception that you're eating more. Right? So I think Kit Kat's better.
Okay, which one you want to eat first?
I'll eat Kit Kat first.
Okay.
Very chocolatey.
Mm-hmm.
Biscuit is good. Hey, time out. Time out a bit soft. More chocolatey, but kind of soft like stale biscuit. Yeah, Kit Kat tastes a bit like coffee. Huh? Kit Kat is nicer.
There's a lot of, it's very chocolatey. The wafer is crunchy. Okay. The Kit Kat has less chocolate but has more wafer and it's nicer. Okay, so which one do you prefer? Kit Kat. Okay.
The biscuit is very crunchy, very chocolatey. Okay, now the timeout. The timeout is more chocolatey and soft.
Okay, which one do you prefer?
I prefer the timeout. It's kind of chocolatey and crispy.
Okay, now the timeout, right?
More chocolatey
Yeah.
and softer. It's less crunchy.
Okay, so which one do you prefer?
The Kit Kat.
Okay, can.
Slightly sweeter and more chocolatey. This one is more milky, I feel.
Oh, okay.
Then the
Okay, can. So you prefer Kit Kat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Kit Kat is nice. That's always been nice. But nicer is a bit if it's not so soft. Like, let's try this. Bit sweet. Much sweeter than Kit Kat. What do you think?
Kit Kat, right?
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.